It used to be that work was simple. Contracts were signed with a handshake, to-do lists were a stack of files on your desk, and you had an office door to protect you from surprises. But today, work moves faster than ever, and it comes at you through phone calls, sticky notes, chats, emails, voicemails, and more, which leaves you feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of requests you're receiving. Enter WORKFRONT Request Management. WORKFRONT Request Management is the modern way to make work simple again. It allows teams in any department, from marketing to IT to professional services, to receive, consolidate, and prioritize work requests in one place. Coworkers or clients can submit work to your team via an intuitive request queue. Once they've entered the details, the work is automatically routed to the correct person on your team, who can then see all requests and their due dates in one easy view, where they can prioritize and make assignments as needed. Sound simple? That's because it is. WORKFRONT Request Management enables you to focus on the right work and standardize your intake process, making work feel simple again.
One of the key contributors to work chaos, poor productivity, and limited visibility is email. This happens when email is used as the primary work management and collaboration tool, resulting in lost communications, forgotten documents, unmet work requests, and an unending conveyor belt of urgent messages that are forgotten once read. The @Task Enterprise Work Cloud solves these problems by making it easy for Outlook users to request, receive, and manage work while collaborating as a team without ever leaving Outlook. So let's look at the new Outlook solution in action. My team is using the @Task Enterprise Work Cloud, and my preferred user interface is Outlook, as I receive a lot of emails from people outside my team and company requesting work. In Outlook, I have direct access to @Task folders at all times here on the left side. I received this email from Kyle, along with some details and a document. Kyle wants me to do some work for a project he's working on, but he doesn't need it done immediately. Normally, I would lose track of this once it gets buried under other emails. But to track this email as work, I simply drag and drop it into my Working On folder. This action automatically creates a work request with all the information in the email, including attachments. Now that it's being tracked as work, I want to identify a deadline for me to track and select Add. This is now added to my Working On list, which contains all of my requests that have come in through email, meetings, @Task queues, and other sources, now all in one place. It's time to dive right into this work request from Kyle. Normally, I would start sending out emails, meeting requests, and IMs. Now, I can review the document for insight and add comments for everybody to see. This provides a single place for all work collaboration and sharing, and that eliminates email chaos. Later, when this work is done, I can log time, update the status, mark the work done. This gives the team and Kyle visibility into that status without sending an email, making a call, or holding a status meeting. After completing this request for Kyle, I need to make sure finance sends me some specifications. Normally, I would send them an email and would forget about the request until days or months later when I realized that the work didn't get done. Now with @Task, I can send a work request from email by pressing the Send and Request button in the Outlook ribbon, instead of the usual email Send and Forget button. Additionally, I can easily submit a work request directly through the Request button in the Outlook ribbon. This prompts me for the information that teams need for each type of request, which cuts down on the back and forth information gathering before work can begin. Within my Request section in Outlook, I can see all work that I have requested from other people, see the status, deadline, and easily collaborate with them on that work. I no longer need to worry that the work that I've requested will get lost in the email shuffle. For the first time, I'm actually productive working in Outlook. I have less emails and status meetings, and no longer have to use email as an excuse for not delivering on my work. The @Task Enterprise Work Cloud is the only work management solution for Outlook.
Mobile apps. They help you do almost everything except manage your work when you're away from the office, making it all too easy to unravel the order you've worked hard to maintain at the office while you're away from your desk. Get ready for a better way to manage your work. Managing work assignments for yourself or for your team is simple with a WORKFRONT mobile app. Project stakeholders are able to quickly reassign work requests, search for specific tasks or issues, update the percentage complete or status of those tasks from anywhere at any time. Need to add an ad hoc task and assign that task to someone, or log time while you wait to board an airplane? It only takes a few minutes in the app. Need to view documents attached to tasks, or digitally proof and review assets? Or need to consume documents via other applications? It's all just a tap or click away. Thanks to convenient push notifications, it's easy to stay up to date on any approvals awaiting your response. Staying connected to real-time changes in projects ensures that teams are able to meet goals. The ability to reply to comments by tagging others helps ensure you are kept in the loop. Additionally, the WorkFRONT mobile app helps you stay connected to your peers by providing you with a searchable, comprehensive company directory that gives you a contact's details, as well as visibility into who is on the team and easy long press action menu options to call, text, or email the contact. You can also perform a spotlight search for a contact from an iOS device.
As a senior manager, let me walk you through my new favorite iPad app, At Task View, where my department's work is at my fingertips, and I can customize the experience through visual filters and see work by status, such as in trouble or at risk. I can easily change this filter for quick access to more targeted insights based on owner, priority, or work progress. I select Progress as I'm interested in understanding the work that is behind committed schedules. As I scroll through projects that are late or behind, I need more details into the work that is late, which is as easy as selecting the project. Now I have a great view of what's going on in the project dashboard, and with a quick swipe, I flip to the next project in the list with real-time visibility into what is going on down to documents. I personally requested this document from the team and give it a quick glance. I select Comments to see the 4 comments already on this document, and instead of email or IM or document review meeting, I can directly provide my own input and feedback right in the context of the work being done. This makes it easy for a senior manager like me to collaborate and engage with my teams where necessary, and it doesn't add any more chaos to my email inbox or take up calendar time to schedule a feedback or document status meeting. This level of visibility significantly improves my productivity by allowing me to more easily see what's going on and collaborate in the context of work with my entire department. My team's more productive by providing a single place for their work. This dashboard is a great view of the status of work, but I want to see work from a different viewpoint. So I slide the Charts and Widgets tray open to create a custom personalized dashboard with the views I need. I drag the Updates view and drop it on the dashboard to see the team's social collaboration in the context of work. By swiping, I can customize my dashboard with more than a dozen different views. I can also drag the upcoming task view anywhere on the screen. If I want to display these differently on the screen with a quick drag and drop, I can easily rearrange it. Once I close the tray, my personalized dashboard with my new views is ready for me with milestones, task status and progress, and my new upcoming tasks and update views. And because I am a key stakeholder in this project, I want to give Pam direct feedback on our work update in this project's social stream. I can easily start a new thread in the project stream. So, in a short period of time, I was able to see details of a late project, give feedback on a document, and collaborate with a team member in the context of her individual work. And then move on to the next challenge.